A company delivers parcels and models the total daily costs incurred, right? So all the people they have to pay, all the stuff going out, fuel, petrol, so whatever their costs are for the day is given by this model here. C of x is equal to 0.5x squared minus 10x plus 300, where x is the number of delivery drivers working that day. So when they have our first thing to point out there, 0.5x squared, that's basically a plus x squared graph. That's your U-shaped graph, and therefore we'll be dealing with something, the minimum cost, as we can see there in part 2. But anyway, it says on a particular day you're going to have 0 delivery drivers. Remember that 0 is the value, or is x. X is the number of delivery drivers, so you're just going to sub in no delivery drivers, 0 where x is, and then you're going to work that out. And basically, when you work that out there, when there is 0 delivery drivers, it's going to cost the company €300. That's the total cost, total daily cost is €300. So that's bad, that's nearly a loss, if you like, with no delivery drivers. Moving on to part 2, so with no delivery drivers. Part 2, and there we're starting to see here again, look at, find C-x and use it to determine the number of drivers that gives the minimum cost. So look at the minimum again. Remember, this is all the same kind of thing there, where you get your C of x. We already know our C of x is equal to 0.5x squared minus 10x plus 300. And when we differentiate that, we're going to get just 1x minus 10. So that's it, done. Absolutely done. I hope you know how to differentiate. But of course, the key thing here is you're after finding the slope finder. Your slope finder function, which only 2 things can happen here for your slope finder function. You either know the value of x and you can find the slope, or you know the slope and you can find the value of x. And that's where this fella comes in. At the min, remember, the slope is equal to 0. So you sub in 0 for the slope, and you work out there that to determine the drivers that gives the minimum cost, you need 10 drivers. And then it says calculate that minimum cost. So to save a bit of time here, I got it all prepared. And remember, we're putting in 10 instead of x. And when we do that, we get €250. And that is the minimum cost with of total daily costs incurred. You've got to understand here that they'll be making money from delivering these parcels. So they might make €10 a parcel delivery, whatever it is, and they might make 100 deliveries in a day, so they might make €1,000, but their total daily costs with 10 drivers is 250 spud.